In this video, I'll show you how to manage identity verification configurations in DocuSign Esignature step by step, so you can enhance document security and control access more effectively. Start by logging into your DocuSign account and heading to the admin section from your dashboard. Inside the admin panel, navigate to the relevant settings or integrations area where identity verification options are available, as layouts may vary by account type. Look for identity verification or authentication settings, then create or edit a configuration based on your needs. You can choose methods like email verification, access codes, or more advanced identity checks depending on your plan and region. Customize these settings carefully to match your organization's compliance and security requirements. After setting everything up, save your configuration and test it to ensure it works as expected. Always review these settings regularly to maintain accuracy and security. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.